Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix high contrast on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. In the past few years, Apple has modernized the macOS interface by increasing transparency, flattening out elements, and adding white space. If you find the new interface difficult to use, you can try to increasing the contrast. But if you're just by accidentally increase your contrast too high and you don't know how to fix it, don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our system preferences on your MacBook. From your system preferences, you can go to accessibility. From accessibility, you can go to display. Select on display. You'll find there is an option like display, pointer, and color filters. You can just go to display, and in here, there is an option display contrast. So by default, it's set to normal. But if your contrast is too high like this, you can just slide it to left like this until it's normal again. It's very simple, right? So you don't need to worry if if you see your MacBook contrast is high, you can just fix like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix high contrast on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.